Thank you for being here and welcome back to this informative 10-part series on fruits. In this episode, we explore the world of apples, the fourth most consumed fruit on the planet. You and I will take a journey from the origins of apples to the incredible health benefits they offer. Stick around until the end where we'll explore how you can grow apples right in your own backyard and even whip up some mouth-watering dishes with them. Let's start things off with where apples originated from. We can trace the origins back to the wild mountains of Kazakhstan. From there, they journeyed across the Silk Road, an ancient network of trade routes connecting the east to the west. They captivated the taste buds of ancient civilizations, and selective cultivation was practiced, which led to the varieties of apples we know today. They are a global sensation with countless varieties and flavors. Apples have been mentioned in mythologies and legends, from the forbidden fruit in the Bible's Garden of Eden to the golden apples of Greek mythology. China, the United States, and Poland are the world's top producers of apples. Now let's talk about some of the most popular apple varieties. Honeycrisp, known for its explosively crisp texture and sweet tart flavor, is a modern variety that has gained popularity for its unique combination of flavor and texture. This variety has a red-green skin color. They are used to make pies and crisp as they hold up to cooking. Honeycrisp are usually in season from late summer to early fall, and they are a cross between Macoun apple and Honeygold apples. Next we have Granny Smith. If you love a tangy punch, Granny Smith is your go-to. Its bright green skin and tartness make it a star in pies and sauces. Granny Smith apples are known for their crisp and firm texture. The flesh provides a satisfying crunch when bitten, making them suitable for snacking and culinary uses. They are usually available in late fall. Finally, we have Fuji. Originating from Japan, Fuji apples boast a perfect balance between sweetness and crunch. It's great for both eating fresh and baking. Fuji apples typically have a base color that ranges from yellow-green to red-orange with pink stripes. The exact coloring can vary based on factors like climate and ripeness. Fuji apples are a cross between two American apple varieties, Red Delicious and Rawls Janet. Comment below and let me know which apple variety is your favorite. Also, if you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe. It would be much appreciated. Thank you. Now let's shift our focus to cooking with apples. These versatile fruits can elevate both sweet and savory dishes. And I've got 3 mouth-watering examples for you. Apple cinnamon pancakes. Start your day with a delightful twist by adding finely diced apples and a sprinkle of cinnamon to your pancake batter. The sweetness of apples and the warmth of cinnamon create a beautiful breakfast sensation. Next, let's warm things up a bit with a cozy autumn favorite, homemade apple cider. There is nothing quite like the comforting aroma of apples, cinnamon, and cloves filling your home. Any of the 3 varieties mentioned before can make a great apple cider. The third option is making applesauce at home. It is a simple and satisfying process. Start by selecting your favorite apple variety, wash, peel, core the apple, then chop them into chunks. Simmer the apple chunks in a saucepan with a bit of water and occasionally add sugar and cinnamon for extra flavor. Once the apples are soft, mash them with a fork or use a blender for a smoother texture. Making homemade applesauce allows you to customize the flavor and texture according to your preferences. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen and can even be enjoyed in various ways. Now that we have explored the world of apple cuisine, let's switch gears and talk about the incredible health benefits packed into every bite of an apple. Heart health. Apples are heart healthy thanks to their high fiber polyphenol content. They may help to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The top 2 antioxidants in apples are quercetin and catechins, both of which were discussed previously in our 7th video on grapes. Quercetin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it's particularly concentrated in the skin of the apples. Catechins, these antioxidants belongs to the flavonoid family and are also found in teas. They contribute to overall antioxidant capacity of apples. Next, we have weight management. For those watching their weight, apples are a godsend. Apples have a high water content, about 86% on average. Sometimes our body may interpret thirst as hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie consumption. Snacking on hydrating foods like apples can help to address this. What about digestive health? Fiber isn't just good for your waistline, it also helps keep your digestive system happy. Apples help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, particularly pectin. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This helps to support regular bowel movements. The skin of apples contain insoluble fiber, which promotes the movement of food through the digestive system and helps to prevent constipation. Now, let's shine a light on vitamin C, a powerhouse antioxidant crucial for overall well-being. Vitamin C plays a pivotal role in supporting our immune system, helping our bodies fight off infections and illnesses. It's also a key player in collagen production, promoting healthy skin and tissues. In 1 cup of apples, you may get 6% of your daily value of vitamin C. Another vital nutrient in apple is vitamin K. It is a fat-soluble nutrient with diverse roles in the body. Primarily recognized for its involvement in blood clotting, vitamin K also supports bone health by aiding in calcium regulation and contributes to cardiovascular health through its potential role in preventing arterial calcification. Vitamin K1 is abundant in plants and especially green leafy vegetables, while vitamin K2 is found in fermented foods. Adequate vitamin K intake is crucial for maintaining strong bones and overall health. You may get 6% of your daily value of vitamin K in 1 cup of apples. Next, we have potassium. Potassium is another important nutrient found in apples. This mineral is essential for various bodily functions, including maintaining proper heart and muscle function, regulating fluid balance, and supporting nerve signals. Adequate potassium intake is associated with cardiovascular health. You may get 3% of your daily value in 1 cup of apples. The glycemic index of an apple can range from about 28 to 48, depending on factors such as variety and how the apple is consumed. Example, raw, cooked, or as applesauce. The moderate GI is attributed to the presence of fiber, particularly pectin, which slows down the absorption of sugars. See episodes 6 and 7 discussing banana and grapes for a breakdown on the glycemic index. Our final segment is on growing your own apple tree. Growing them can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. First, choose an apple variety suitable for your climate and growing conditions. Consider factors like chill hours, which are the number of hours of winter cold required for the apple tree to produce fruit. Select a sunny location with well-drained soil. Apples thrive in full sunlight and prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. Test and amend the soil as needed, ensuring good drainage and pH levels between 6 and 7. Incorporate organic matter like compost to enhance soil fertility. Plant the trees in late winter or early spring when they are dormant. Dig a hole large enough to accommodate the roots without bending or crowding. Water the trees thoroughly after planting. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry periods. Water deeply and avoid overwatering, as apple trees are susceptible to root rot in waterlogged conditions. Apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring before new growth begins. Follow dosage recommendation based on the age and size of the tree. You may also want to prune the trees annually during dormant season to remove dead or diseased branches and shape the tree at that particular point. Also, be vigilant for common diseases like apple scabs and fire blight and treat accordingly. Remember, growing apples is a long-term commitment and patience is key. The first few years may involve more care and attention, but a well-established apple tree can provide a bountiful harvest for years to come. Always consider local climate conditions and specific requirements for apple varieties you choose. And there you have it, the incredible journey of apples from their ancient origins to your very own backyard. I hope this extended exploration has deepened your appreciation for these delicious fruits. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the like button, Subscribe for more and share your apple stories in the comments below. Until next time.